Honestly, I was shocked.
I've been feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart, maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got? 'Cause I'm coming alive. I just wanna come alive.
Alright, you guys, I just got done at the gym. I need to fix my seatbelt because I put it on weird. For some reason, it feels like it's twisting weird. Is it? It might not be. I don't think it is. I think I'm just losing my marbles. I wanted to stop really quick. I just finished my workout. It was a really quick one. I haven't done core in forever, so my core, my abs hurt, or whatever abs I have under my flabs at this moment. Honestly, I was shocked. So I did my in-body when I first got to the gym, and honestly, my results shocked me. I thought I would have gained a ton of like fat and just like not been doing good, but honestly it's kind of stayed the same. So I think my bulk wasn't successful in the way that I wanted it to be successful. I definitely put on muscle during my bulk, but it wasn't as much muscle as I wanted. I think I need to do a longer and higher calorie and higher protein bulk next time. I am gonna keep doing my cut though, because I want to see what the bulk actually did for me. My phone died, so it cut it off in the middle of the clip, but I have my camera, so that's okay. But what I was saying is I don't think my bulk did as much as I wanted it to. Definitely higher protein, higher calorie next time, but it was my first bulk, so I didn't know how my body was going to respond to that anyways. But I think that that's going to be where I need to go, and more like, I felt like it was so much food that I was honestly struggling mentally with the bulk, because I could see that it looked like my body was gaining weight. It looked like it was getting bigger, and I was like, oh my gosh, no. And it just like triggered a whole different part of like body dysmorphia for me. I'm kind of shocked. I only gained like 0.8% body fat the whole bulk. I didn't really gain too much muscle. I think I gained more muscle than it's saying, but then at the same time I also had hurt my ankle, so I couldn't do as much as I was doing. I was also doing a lot more cardio because I was training for high rock, which now with my ankle I can't train for that. So if that's something I want to do in the future, I'm gonna have to really do some physical therapy for my Achilles. I don't know, I'm not a runner. I've never been a runner, so cardio's not my favorite thing ever, but I know how important it is, so I have to get myself in there. But every day it's like weight day, I'm like, oh yeah, here we go. This is my stuff. This is what I come to the gym for. Now that I'm done ranting about that, the main purpose of me stopping and wanting to talk to you is because I wanted to talk about these blender bottles. These are Velomix, so I have a clear one and this black one. $10 on Amazon, 28 ounces. And they work great. I've washed them in the dishwasher so many times. Like, if you're looking for a blender bottle that's inexpensive and you want it pretty quick, then you should definitely check out the link in the description, because these are fantastic. And yeah, honestly, this has been a game changer for me. I have like 7 blender bottles and 2 of them are the Velomix, and I've honestly been thinking about buying more because I love them. They have different colors too and different sizes. So yeah, use the link in the description somewhere to check out these blender bottles. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this video. It was a really short, sweet, simple, to the point video. I just really wanted to show my blender bottle, or I guess not my blender bottle, my shaker bottle, and my core workout. That's the core workout I'm gonna be doing for a while now. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Don't mind how I look. I'm sick right now, so. But yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been feeling hopeless till you